Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add money within MostBet. By adding money into MostBet, you are making sure of two things. A, you're over 18, and two, you're gambling safely. Because this is a gambling website, you got to make sure that you are 18 over and you are gambling safely and normally without having to spend too much money. Now, this site offers a lot of bonuses and a lot of things that if you do intend to deposit, you can see there's different promotions. So you can check your status for promotion. You can check, you see your coin exchange rate, and you can see the more bets you do, the more, of course, bonuses you get. But also you do get that loyalty program as well. You're going to go into this deposit menu. You're going to go into main. Then you're going to pick, you want a MasterCard, Visa, do you want to put cryptocurrency, do you want to do casino coins, but yeah, they unfortunately don't have PayPal, but bank, as you can see, they're mostly looking for electronic wallets, Bitcoin, cryptos, or just bank transfer will do. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.